1.1. If positive 20 represents 20 meter above sea level, then negative 20 represents under the sea. So, sama juga dalam BM. Jika positif 20 mewakili 20 meter di atas aras laut, maka negatif 20 meter mewakili bawah arah laut. Okay, so your answer will be under the sea. Under the sea. Under the sea. Ataupun bawah arah laut. Bawah arah laut lah. Sebab negatif kan. Okay, now you go to B. If a positive 90 represents a movement of 90 meter to the north, then negative 90 represent to the south. So the answer should be south lah. Ataupun dalam bahasa Melayu, dia bercakap di sini, jika positif 90 mewakili pergerakan 90 meter ke arah utara, maka negatif 90 mewakili ke arah selatan. Selatan. Okay. Question C. If positive 800 represents RM 800 being credited into a saving account, then RM 800 being debited into a savings account is represented as RM 800 withdrawn from an account. So that should be your answer. Sama juga dalam BM, jika positif 800 mewakili RM 800 being dikreditkan ke dalam suatu akaun simpanan, maka RM 800 didebit ke dalam akaun diwakili oleh negatif RM 800 dikeluarkan dari suatu akaun. Okay, that one is the answer lah. Okay, now look at question D. If positive 1000 represents a profit of RM 1000, then a loss of RM 1000 is represented as negative RM 1000. Negative RM 1000. Sama juga lah dalam BM. Okay. So, jika positif 1000 mewakili keuntungan sebanyak RM 1000, then maka kerugian sebanyak RM 1000 diwakili oleh negatif RM 1000 lah. Okay, number 2 question. Question number 2. State the following numbers using positive or negative. 80 less than 0. 80 less than 0 is minus 80. Okay, how about the B? 76 more than 0 is positive 76 lah. Okay, list all integers from negative 8 to 4. So, from negative 8 to 4. So, you need to list out all the integers. Okay, so very easy. Okay, so for this 3a, picture right over here. So you start from negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0. You just list down until 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one your answer for 3a. Okay, and then you need to list all integers from negative 12 to negative 2. Same also. Okay, you start from negative 12. Then you list down negative 11, negative 10, negative 9, negative 9, negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0. So you write down the comma over here, 0 until, oh, they're asking you to write down until negative 2 only. So just erase this 2. Okay, until negative 2 only. So that is the answer. Okay, now you go to number 4. Determine whether each of the following numbers is an integer. Okay, as you know, determine whether each of the following numbers is an integer. Okay, negative 14, negative 26 and negative 2 is the integer negative. And then this 12, 85 is the integer for positive. 0 also integer number. But this one is the decimal number. So decimal number is not the integer. Okay. Compare and arrange the following values of temperature in the order beginning from the coldest temperature. Okay, you're supposed to arrange from the smallest number, negative 4 degrees Celsius, negative 4 degrees Celsius, negative 3 degrees Celsius, 1 degree Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, and then the last one is 4 degrees Celsius. So this is the coldest temperature. Okay. So 6, 6 ke positif kamu akan dapat positif lah. So 6 tambah 2 dapat 8. So this is the answer for this one is 8. So negatif 4 tambah negatif 3, you will get negative 4. Positive minus, you will get minus 3. So kamu akan dapat positif kamu kena tambah 4, 5, 6, 7. So you see the big number got integer negative, so put negative over here. So the answer should be negative 7. So how about numbers? How about C? 3 minus plus 2. So 3 minus negative, negative positive dapat negative 2. So 3 minus 2 you will get 1. Okay, how about this one D? Negative 2 minus negative 4. So negative 2 minus positive 4. So tolak 4 tolak 2 kamu akan dapat 2. So positive 2. The answer should be 2 because big number got integer positive, so positive lah over here. Okay, now D, E. Negative 8 tambah negative 2. So negative 8 plus minus 2. So negative tambah lah. So 8 plus 2 dapat 10. So big number negative integer, so negative 10. Okay, how about this F? 6 minus plus 3. So 6 plus minus 3. So you get 3 lah. So 3. How about this one G? 9 plus positive 4. So 9 plus 4 kamu akan 13 dapat. So after that the last one is negative 5, negative 3. So negative 5, negative positive 3. So tolak positive negative kamu kena tolak lah. 5 minus 3 dapat 2. So big number integer is negative. The answer should be a negative 2. Okay. Okay, now look at self practice 1.2. Latih diri 1.2b ya. 1.2b. So solve each of the following. Selesaikan setiap yang berikut. Okay, number 1a. Negative 6 times with negative 3 dapat berapa? So 6 times 3 you will get 18. So 18. So this negative and negative when you times become positive lah. So you no need to write this positive, you just directly write 18 only. So the answer for A is 18. Okay, B. Negative 7 times with 2, kamu akan dapat berapa? 7 darab 2, 14. So negative 14. Negative 14. So 4 times 8. 4 times 8, kamu akan dapat 32. So negative 32. So 8 times 6. 8 times 6, you will get 48. So negative 48. Okay. Here. 12, kamu bahagi dengan 3. You divide with 3. So you will get negative 4. And then this one, negative become positive lah. Positive. So 8 divide by 16. 18 divide by 6. You will get 3. So positive 3. So the answer should be 3. No need to put positive. 15 divide by minus negative 5. So what is the answer? The answer should be 3. So plus minus minus. Minus. Here got plus isn't it? Negative, positive, and then this one negative. Dapat apa? Negative bahagi positive bahagi negative. Dapat apa? Negative lah. So the answer is negative 3. Okay. 20 you divide with 4, you will get 5. So sini positive, sini negative. Positive negative dapat negative lah, negative 5. So number 1a. Negative 9 times with negative 4 plus 6. First you settle the bracket, the numbers inside the bracket. Okay, negative 4 plus 6, you need to tolak lah, you need to minus 6 minus 4, kamu akan dapat 2. So integer yang nombor yang besar ada integer positif, so positive 2 lah. So the answer should be when you times negative 9 with 2, you will get negative 18. So B. Now the B. Question B. 8 plus minus 4 times with 8. Okay. So 8, so you open the bracket, buka kurungan, plus minus become minus 4 times with 8. So you do the times first. So 8 minus 4 times 8. 4 times 8 you will get 32. So the answer should be here positive. So positive minus, what you need to do? 32 you minus with 8. You will get 24. 24. But the big number have integer negative, so you put negative over here. So that is the answer for B. How about C? Okay, let's see. C. 4 minus 15 divide with negative 3 plus negative 8. So you just follow first. 4 minus 15 is how much? So 11. So integer, big number have integer negative. So you put negative 11 divide with negative 3. So plus and minus when you times become negative 8. So what you need to do, negative 11 divide with this negative you're supposed to plus this 2, so 11, so negative 11, so negative 11 divide with negative 11 become now look at D, question D, negative 14 plus negative 22 is see negative 14 plus minus minus 22 over negative 23, negative become positive 35. So your answer will be 14 plus 22, 14 plus 22, 36, negative 36 over, so 35 you minus with 23 you will get 12, 12, positive 12. So this one you can simplify it 1 and this one 3. The answer should be negative 3. Okay, now look at question E. Negative 12, you times this 2, negative 15 times 3 become positive, 15 times 3, 15 times 3 become 45, 45 minus plus 6. Okay. So 45 minus 12, 45 minus with 12, 33. 33 plus 6 become 39. Okay, now look at question F. So negative 6 minus 8 times with negative 5 over negative 27 plus 38. So you see negative 6, negative become positive 40 over 38, 38 minus 27 become 11, positive 11. So your answer 40 minus 6, 40 minus 6, 34, 34 over 11. So this 34 you divide by 11, you will get 3 1 over 11. So this is the answer.